So what big dreams have you set for yourself in 2024? Have you even sat down and thought, how could 2023 have been better than it was? Maybe it was a struggle for you financially, and you're not alone. But 2024 doesn't need to be that way. Have you sat down and thought, right, what can I do in my life to improve things? How can I make our finances look a lot healthier so we're not living month to month? And because let's be honest, that's hard work, right? So I hope you all had a fantastic Christmas, I really do. But now is the time to knuckle down and think, right, what can I do different this year to improve our lives? Now, yes, I get it, right? Christmas was all about fun and it's hard to start getting motivated again. I'm still in the panto mode. We had a fantastic time at the family panto. It's all fun and games, a very good laugh, but that's gone now, right? We're on our way to New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, and it's time for business. It's time for you to start thinking, how can next year be different? Now let me tell you what my goals are for next year. I want to earn 6 figures through my online business alone, so that's an additional income for me. And I want you to come on that journey with me. I want to impact 500 people's lives next year. In 2024, I want to impact 500 people's lives so they can transform their finances, transform their time freedom, so they can spend more quality time with their family and live a life on their terms and not someone else's. Because that's what this is about. You get one chance in this life. Make it yours, grab it with both hands, create an online business that can change everything for you. Please take a look. If you want to, drop ready in comments. I would absolutely love to share this with you.